Hello everyone, my friends. Not long ago my partner and I were on a business trip in Romania. Here, as I understand it, there was an office building and now they want to do dentistry. Our task is to dismantle all the wiring, make temporary lighting, install a couple of sockets and also install pipes for risers. The wiring, of course, is all copper and there is a lot of it. We were immediately told that we would no longer use this wiring, and we didn't know what would happen to it next, so we just put it in one pile. That's how many wires it turned out to be removed from only one floor, and there are 4 of them plus a basement. In addition to wires, there is a lot of copper here. For example, there is a copper tube from the air conditioner lying around and no one picks it up. Also in the basement there is such a mountain of pipes from plumbing, which will most likely be thrown away. They have all sorts of adapters, counters, faucets, and it's all made of brass. If you cut them off from here, I think it will definitely be 50 kilograms and even more. After we finished all the work, we were allowed to pick up these wires. Of course we didn't know if they would let us in at customs, but decided to take a chance. The wires are all in a corrugated pipe, so first you need to get rid of it. We tightly twist the wires into such bundles and put them in bags. It turned out 5 bags of wires. Of course we won't be able to take them all at once, so for now we leave them here and when we arrive next time we'll take them. We loaded only the thickest wires into the car. We put our things and tools on top. They are almost invisible. I hope they let us through and everything will be fine. We are already heading home. We have about 6 hours to go. We will be back here in a couple of months, and if you want, I can prepare a couple of kilograms of copper, find a metal collection point here and hand it in. Let's see what prices for metal are here and compare with ours. Let's get 100 likes under this video and I will definitely do it for you. The road is long, so we stopped a couple of times to replenish strength, and drove on. Yes, my friends, we did it. We just passed through the customs border and in my opinion they didn't even notice the wire. We have another 100 kilometers to go to the house. Do not switch. As soon as I get home I will show you what I managed to bring and of course we will weigh the entire cable. Guys, here are all our wires. They are very heavy. I think with these wires I will definitely replenish the copper piggy bank up to 100 kilograms. Now let's weigh everything. In addition to wires, I brought 2 such electrical appliances. They do not have a lot of copper and maybe even technical silver. I will analyze them in a separate video. I also took these tubes from the air conditioner. There are about 1 kilogram of them here. And let's see how much our wires weigh. It turned out 60 kilograms of wires. I will process these wires in the next video, since they are long and it is unrealistic to clean them in the apartment. Like friends, write comments. As soon as there are 100 likes and 100 comments under this video, I will immediately make a video with these wires. Thank you for your attention. Bye everyone.